Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a custom game in chess.com. To start, open your internet browser. Once on your internet browser, head on over to chess.com and make sure you have already logged in. Once you are in chess.com, tap on the button that says New Game. Now wait for chess.com to finish loading. Then in here, tap on Custom. Then you can now tweak the settings of your custom game over at chess.com. To start, let's click on Standard or what mode of chess we want to play. Then in here we can set the timer and then our opponent as well. In this case, you can invite a friend by typing in their username. You could also add in a rating range. This is the MMR of chess.com. Then in here, you can click on Rated or Not Rated. Then tap on Play. And then over at chess.com, you can create options of your choice or preference. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.